Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to delete Walmart account. So deleting your Walmart account involves contacting Walmart's customer support as there is no direct option to delete your account through the website or app. So in order to do that, simply follow our process. Firstly, open the Walmart. If you are already logged in, doing so will open your Walmart homepage or else simply sign into your Walmart account. Then click on the profile icon on the top right option available there. Now from the drop down menu, click on the help. Then click on the computer image that says walmart.com under contact us. Then click on shopping at walmart.com under choose your topic. Now simply click on the manage account under what we can help you with. Then click on the email option available in the top menu there. Then fill in your information and type I would like to delete my account under reasons for contacting us. Then click on the submit. Then click ask agent for help and copy confirmation code to reference to customer service. So once this process is complete, Walmart will call you or send you a confirmation email letting you know that your account has been deleted. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.